acquisition of CRC has done great things for us. CRC was built on rapid, quick response time for quotes, quality products, customer service is number one. So what this allows us to do is to have the resources, a partnership with a larger global presence that can only enhance what we're doing.
And anytime Trelleborg makes an acquisition, it's because of the talent, the strength that's there. And so I think this is an opportunity for another future partnership. It's the knowledge, it's the know-how, it's the experience that's here that we can combine with to go out and service those customers.
One of the best things about this Trelleborg acquisition is we've been able to partner with somebody that shares our same vision. We are very much about the customer, finding solutions for them. That's what it's all about, helping our customers the best way we can. And Trelleborg has set that standard in what they do. And I think they saw that in us. One of the beautiful things about this partnership is that our values align. They were aligned to begin with, and now we're continuing down that same path.
I mean, the customer interface is, I think, the strongest component of the relationship. It builds trust. And so you've got the customer service side of it, you've got the sales side of it, you've got the engineering side of it, you've got the logistics side of it, you've got getting products to the customer on time is a key component, and it all fits into that big picture.
When the acquisition first happened, obviously at first there was a lot of questions. Are we going to lose that family atmosphere? We're going to lose that quick response time that we're known for. But what they've seen is we've taken it to the next level.
I think the CRC customers will benefit in the fact that it gives CRC more of a global footprint. And so I know they've tried to expand over the years, and this gives them the ability to expand with the offices and locations we have on a worldwide basis.
The partnership we have with Trelleborg allows us to serve our customers better globally. Whether they have an asset in West Africa or Brazil, where a lot of oil and gas is going on right now, we can better support that now because of Trelleborg's global footprint.
One of the biggest things that now that we're able to offer our customers is that R&D, that engineering capabilities. Trelleborg is a global leader in testing and engineering. We have that facility now at our fingertips, which allows us to help our customers in a variety of more ways.
I'm super excited about the acquisition because I think there's further partnerships that we can develop. There's a trust we can bring to our customers, and it allows us to go out and be a one-stop shop to our customer base.
If I could send one message to our customers, I would say if you liked us before, you're going to love us now.